Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a couple easy tricks on changing the uppercase or lowercase format of your text in Excel. Very easy to do. And also, we're going to show you how to capitalize the first letter of a proper noun. So very easy to do, and we'll go ahead and do that now and kind of walk you through that. So as an example here, I've got some first names and some last names, and as you can see with the last names, they're all capitalized, all the letters, and let's say we don't want that. Let's say we want it to match our first names here. So what we can do is we can do equals lower, and as it says here, it's going to convert all our letters in a string to lowercase. So we're going to hit tab there, and then it's going to ask for the text. So what text do we want to cause it to be lowercase? So we're just going to go ahead and click on our column B last names here. And then it's going to give us a lowercase name for all of those last names. But again, it's the whole last name is lowercase. So being that, Smith is a proper noun, we want that S to be capitalized. There's something that we can do to fix that. So, you can do this with just normal words. You can get it to lowercase very easy. But what we're going to go ahead and do now, and we'll just get rid of this, is we're going to make sure we capitalize that first letter of the last name. So what we will do is equal proper. So it's going to convert the entire text string, as it says here, to uppercase or lowercase, but it's going to make sure that the first letter is, again, uppercase. So we're going to hit tab, and then it's going to ask what text do we want to do this to. So again, we'll just do this B2 here, this last name Smith, and it goes ahead and gives us Smith in the correct format where the first letter is uppercase. So we can go ahead and just drag that down, and it will convert all of column B into the proper format that we want. So we could go ahead and get rid of the column, last name column, and then we'd have our first name and our last name. Very easy, very simple to do. Something good to just kind of keep on hand if you ever have to clean up or format text. So something else you could do, we've showed you how to do lowercase. So we're going to just keep this as proper here. And then we'll do uppercase. I'll show you how to do that. And very similar to lowercase, all you have to do is just hit upper and then select the text that you want to uppercase and then close the parentheses there. We're going to hit, and again, it's going to give us that fully uppercase name that we want. I'll just drag it all the way down, and it's going to give us, again, the fully uppercase name there. So depending on how you want to format the text, very easy to do and very simple. And I hope this answers any questions you have around the upper or lower or proper formulas in Excel and how to properly format some of this text. Again, please let me know if you have any questions, and please subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.